Hey there friends, I'm back again with a new tutorial video. In this video, I will teach you how to import images into Adobe Photoshop. So let's get started. First, open Adobe Photoshop on your computer. If you don't have it yet, you can download a free trial from the Adobe website. Once Photoshop is open, go to the top left corner of the screen and click on the File menu. From the File menu, click on Open. This will open a window where you can browse your computer for the image you want to import. Next is navigate to the folder where your image is saved. Click on the image file and then click the Open button. Congratulations, your image is now imported into Adobe Photoshop. You can see it on the canvas ready for you to edit and enhance. And that's it! You now know how to import images into Adobe Photoshop. It's a simple yet essential skill to begin your creative journey in graphic design and photo editing. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching how to import images into Adobe Photoshop. Remember, every masterpiece begins with that first image, and now you have the tools to make it extraordinary. Keep honing your skills, keep pushing boundaries, and keep inspiring others through your creativity. See you on my next video, and until then, keep creating and keep dreaming big.